We've been members of Karma Royal for about 4 or 5 years. We've enjoyed a lot of good holidays with the group.
I think one of the, definitely front reception desk here at the Mayuda Ubud. They were willing to do anything that they could to help us out, especially booking reservations at other places. And I must mention Yvonne. I know she's a visiting guest relations officer here, and she is from Crete, or that's her main position. But she's a guest relations officer here for a little bit, and she has helped us tremendously as members. Also having to understand how to use our membership, and also to get to understand fractional investments. And fractional investments, she made us understand that within 5 minutes, and I thought that was fantastic, because it was explained to us before, and the person took probably 45 minutes. So for her to have that ability to explain within 5 minutes is a real gift and asset to her in her communication skills. And you certainly notice, and I know the Karma girls through the resorts that we've been in, they are trained professionally. There's a big difference between having a massage treatment or a treatment here at a Karma resort, spa by one of the therapists, and then getting a session outside. There is a big difference. It's certainly cheaper outside, but it depends on quality and it depends on what you want to. But a big tick to the girls at the Karma Resort.
Another holiday in Bali here for us at a Karma Resort has pretty much ticked all the boxes. I'm leaving pretty relaxed before a big 2016 of work, and looking forward to the next bonus week's email I get in my inbox to say next holiday is available. Do you want to come over? Because I'll probably say, yep, that'd be great.